find the value of k if the equation has many solution, if the equation has many solution, and the equation is given here. You don't have to write down this now. So there is a question, find the value of k, find the value of k, find the value of k, and the equation is given here, kx plus kx plus 3y, kx plus 3y minus k minus 3 is equals to 0. Second equation is given here, 12x plus ky minus k is equals to 0. So we have two equation, equation first and equation second, equation first and equation second. The first one is known as a1, the first one is known as a1, the first one is known as what? A1. Second one will be known as b1, and third one will be known as c1. Now from the second equation, first one will be known as a2, second one will be known as b2, and third one will be known as c2, plus minus, okay, including plus and minus. This much is clear now? So here just write down solution, then for once write down the question again, whatever the question is written, write down all the question again for once. Question को एक बार फिर से लिखना है. Is this clear? Write down the question again for once. Now write down the value. A1 is equals to what? A1 is equals to k. B1 is equals to what?
3.
B1 is equals to 3, and C1 is equals to k minus 3. Now let's find out the value of A2. A2 is equals to what? 12. B2 is equals to k, and C2 is equals to
minus k.
C2 is equals to minus k. What's the question? Kx plus 3y.
Sir, in C1 there is minus k minus 3.
Where minus k?
Minus k minus 3 in C1
which step?
first.
You're talking about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, multiplying this minus.
Yes,
Okay, so if we will multiply this minus, so it will be minus k plus 3, then minus k minus into minus plus. So here write down C1 is equals to what?
minus k plus
Minus k plus 3, and C2 is equals to what? C2 is equals to
minus k.
Now what's the condition? We are solving this for what? Infinitely many solution. So we know that for many solution, what's the formula? A1 divided by A2 is equals to B1 divided by B2 is equals to C1 divided by C2. So for the first time we will solve this 2-1, okay, first one and second one. Substitute the value. A1 is equals to what? K divided by A2 is equals to 12 is equal, B1 is equals to 3, and B2 is equals to K. So let's solve this step now. K into K what guys? K into K square is equals to 12 3 is 36. Now we have to transpose this power 2. So after transposing, this power gets converted into root. This 2 will get converted into root. So k is equals to what? Root 36. Now 36 means, what's the root value of 36? 36 can be written as 6 into 6. 36 means 6 into 6. So k is equals to root 6 into 6 means 6 to power 2. Now root and square always cancel. Root and square always cancel. So k is equals to what? 6. K is equals to 6. First value is clear.
Yes, sir.
For the first time k is equals to 6. We solve with this one and this one. Now we have to solve with second one and third one. So now what's the second one? b1 divided by b2 is equals to c1 divided by c2. Substitute the value. b1 is equals to what? 3 divided by b2 is equals to k. Equal sign. c1 is equals to minus k plus 3 divided by c2 is equals to minus k. Let's solve this step now. Plus into minus. Minus 3 into k. 3k equal to, this k will be multiplied with this one also, with this one also. So k outside of bracket, inside of bracket minus k plus 3. Now between the fraction, what's the sign? Equal sign. So do we have to multiply the denominators? Okay, so let's solve this now. Minus 3k is equals to plus into minus. Minus k into k square plus into my, okay, plus, and this one is also plus. So what we have to write down here? Plus 3 into k, 3k. Now k square will be in one side and this one will be transposed in right hand side. Change the side first. K square plus 3k is equals to minus 3k. This step is clear. Next step, minus k square is equals to minus 3k. This one is plus, so after transposing, plus will get converted into minus 3k. Up to here is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now k square can be written as k into, okay, later we will solve this step. Minus k square is equals to, this one is minus, this one is also minus. Sign are same or different? So what we have to do? Addition or subtraction?
Addition.
So 3k and 3k, 6k. This one is also minus, this one is also minus, so here also minus. In left hand side also there is minus, in right hand side also there is minus. So minus and minus cancel. Now k square can be written as k into k is equals to 6k. Now k is equals to 1k will be transposed in right hand side. So 6k divided by k. So 1k and 1k cancel. So k is equals to what? 6. Here also we got k is equals to 6, and here also we got k is equals to 6. I mean, first of all you just have to write a solution, then write down whatever the question is given, write down the question, then find